Swim Lessons in a Box covers 2 complete levels of swim lessons. Inside your box, you'll find a 75-page parent manual that goes over 16 swim skills with over 23 video lessons designed to help you teach your child how to swim. There are corresponding laminated lesson plans for easy poolside use, as well as waterproof flashcards for easy reference to the skills, which have linked QR codes for videos, quick tips on the back, as well as a family fun activity that reinforces the skill the child is learning. These flashcards match the skills on the corresponding lesson plans. The Swim Lessons in a Box comes with an easy-to-carry mesh bag that includes all of your toys, your laminated plans, and your waterproof flashcards and goggles, all to support you in teaching your child how to swim. Inside your parent manual teaches you how to utilize the toys so you can help your child learn to swim through play. A complete parent-led system to help you become your child's best swim instructor.